Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Kia here from the Kia Makes Etsy shop, from Kia Creates and Inspiring Journals on Instagram, and from the Journal Club podcast. So today I have quite a relaxing little journal with me video. There'll be some journaling sounds and I'll talk a little bit just to let you know what I'm using and what I'm doing, but there's no music, so it's going to be mostly a chill one. So right now I'm working in my Halloween journal. I've saved a couple of pages here for the prompts. Ancient Woodland, that was for day 12, and Moss and Mushrooms, which was day 14. And to create a couple of spreads for these prompts, I'm going to be using this Enchanted Forest Journal Kit. The forest themed items in this journal kit were originally for my Journal Club subscribers, so they already received all of these in October's package, but I like them so much that I wanted to add them to my Etsy shop as a kit, and I also wanted to use them myself. So you'll find all of the items that I used from this kit in this spread today in my Etsy shop update, which is coming on November the 1st. So the first item I'm going to use is this Woodland entrance card, or that's what I've called it. It's an illustration of a forest that I made and turned into this little note card that you can write in the centre of. So I'm going to write a little title for this spread today. And the next thing that I'm using from the journal kit is this brown sticker paper with a hand stamped pattern. Every journal kit, every Journal Club member got a slightly different sticker paper because I made so many different pattern variations because I just really enjoyed using these stamps. So I'm going to peel some of this and stick it on somewhere here. Next from the pack I decided to use one of the mini prints. So these are miniature versions of some of the frog and mushroom themed prints that will also be coming to my shop on the update on November the 1st. So for this spread I decided to use the one that says fresh air is self-care. I just think it's really cute and I do like the shape that it's in, but this is a kind of rough journal spread with torn edges, so I decided to tear the edges off this print as well to make it fit in with the rest. After sticking this down, I grabbed the Forest Journaling sticker sheet. So this has all kinds of photos and artwork related to the forest that I've created or that I've taken and then turned into these little journal stickers. So I'll zoom in on this one now. This one has some tree roots and a teeny version of the stamped paper that I showed you earlier, all squeezed into one little sticker. This is a photo of an ancient woodland we visited the other day. There's me, so you can see how tall the trees are. It was a really cool place and I really wanted to stick a picture of it in for this prompt because I just thought it was perfect. This next sticker is a little journal. It says My Forest Journal on it, and I don't know if you can see that, but the cover is the ancient woodland that I just showed you the photo of. So I've just got to decide where to stick it now. This is a fern sticker from the Playful Pumpkins sheet that I already have in my shop. I didn't want to do a forest spread without including some fern leaves on there. And we're not quite done with this ancient woodland theme spread just yet. I will be coming back to it, but first let's make a start on the moss and mushroom themed spread. I say moss and mushroom, but it is a mainly mushroom themed spread just because I've made so many mushroom themed artworks and stickers lately, seen so many mushrooms, taken so many photos, so I have a lot to use up. And if any of you have watched my videos before, you know how much I love holographic stickers. So for this pack, I couldn't resist but to make a holographic toadstool sticker. I really love this one. Of course, it's me, so I'm going to use it inside a journal. But I have also used some on my laptop and on my storage trolleys as well, because they're these nice thick vinyl stickers and I love putting them everywhere. This day of the week sticker sheet has all the days of the week twice, but with different kind of mushroom and leafy textures in the middle, and it also has a couple of little toadstools on there, so I'm going to pinch them to put onto this spread as well. let's add a couple more from the Forest Journaling sticker sheet. I've got these two journals. One has a mini print and a picture of mushrooms on there, and another one has some ferns and one of the little frogs and a little toadstool. I really tried to fit it all in. And now I'm using some of the forest frog stickers that are also in the pack. These have loads of ferns and frogs and all little bits of mixed media on them, so I designed them really big and then shrunk them down into little stickers, so if you see them up close they have so much detail. Here's a closer look at the details of the finished two spreads. I really hope you enjoyed watching me make these. Thank you so much for watching if you've stayed till the end. And like I said, these Enchanted Journal Kits will be in my shop on 1st November in my update. So there's going to be the mini kit version, which is a smaller version, full journal kit, so it's got everything that you've seen here, and there will be a limited number of journal kits complete with a journal as well, like a kind of deluxe kit where the journal is included, and it's this lovely green and gold cork journal, so it really fits with the theme. So if you're interested in those, make sure you check out my shop update on November 1st, and I'll just give you a quick look at some of the other things that will be in the update as well, like these prints that I was talking about and some Christmas items. I hope you're as excited as I am, and I will see you soon. Thank you, bye.